ETH, we start with forward chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, since the price was within this correction, I was keep highlighting, I'm looking for one more drop at least in relative to this. That's why I mentioned we can expect the price drop to 3.6 following by 3.3. As we can see, even the price broke the 3.3 here. Right now, I want to see what's the next. All right. Anyway, we start with hard time frame. We start with daily chart. And even based on daily chart, we mentioned we want to see the breakout of the previous low, which is 3570. And exactly this is what we get, because I mentioned I'm looking at this one as a flat, as an internal for one more drop in relative to this. Okay, that's why we have been looking for buy since the price was within here even. But we mentioned the best things is if the price broke the previous low, then from there we look for the reversal, because we mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy as a reversal, as a long term, we are looking for with the breakout of the all-time high, we can look for 5.5 following by 7K, but it dropped more than what we expected. All right. In this case, if we move to higher time frame, if we move to weekly chart, this is how we can look at the chart, because this one, since the price was within this part, we do this one. We mentioned we can put in the relative to this for one move up, and this one turned to internal flat. But what we get right now, this is how we can look at the chart as a running flat, and this is the internal flat. How deep this one can go? Even we can expect the price tag, the lowest price of this one, and even the breakout of the previous low. But any reversal, any opportunity for buy as a reversal, I mean, as a long term for buy, this is what we are interested. Okay, because still we are within the running flat based on weekly chart. And if I move to a 1 hour daily chart, all right, we have to see what we get here. And mostly we're looking for buy. We don't have the divergence, and we don't need to refer to the divergence. But if we get any reversal, any opportunity for buy, we'll take it, because as what we expected, this one turned to a flat. All right. But as I mentioned, at this point, we don't see any trade setup either for buy or sell. And if I move to forward chart, the price dropped more than what we dropped it or more than what we expected. And right now I'm looking at this. We can expect this one turn to extension correction as a channel. Any opportunity for buy as a reversal, we'll take it. And the best things is if we get one more drop, then from there we look for the reversal. We prefer to buy the lowest price of this correction, not at the top. At the top, we can look for the short-term sell. And as I mentioned, if this one turns to a channel, the price be within this one for the longer time, following by divergence, it can give us better confirmation to look for the reversal. And at this point, based on forward chart, I don't see any trade setup either for buy or sell. And if I move to 1 hour chart, all right, now we want to see what's the next. We don't have any trade setup for buy. If anyone wants to look for buy, we have to wait for the deeper one. Then from there, we can look for buy. And with the breakout of the previous top, we have to move our stop loss to break even. But as I mentioned, to look for buy, the best things is if we get the next drop, because you can put this one in relative to any of this for the next drop. Then from the reversal, we will take the trade from there. That's mean at this point, if we get any opportunity for sell as a short term, we will take it. Then from there, we look for buy, because from what we can see here, we can expect this one turn to a more deeper or correction before we see the reversal. Okay. By the way, if anyone wants to look for buy at the top, we have to wait for the deeper correction. This is not the trade setup for buy, right? Because simply we can put our line here following by this one. Okay, for the next drop. Anyway, we just follow the chart as a long term. We are looking for the reversal, but we have to look for the proper trade setup. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.